Weekly horoscope, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The preview, preview. Preview is a in which we only share one part out of all the 6 parts of the premium content. Preview is we only share the conclusion part 1. In premium content, we have transits for this coming week, transit of moon, the impact of moon's transit on you, what are the results, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, the task precautions and chanting. Precautions you need, task you need it to balance the astrological equation if you want to. Precaution what you shouldn't do, and the chanting how you can boost yourself up spiritually. All the elements are there in the premium content, but if you want to, then you can visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the premium content from my website. These weekly horoscopes or the monthly horoscopes, even the yearly horoscopes which I produce, these are applied horoscopes. They are fully applicable, and a lot of information is given to you. You can change or maneuver the astrological equation if you want to for your benefit, and a lot of things is given to share with you. You can take advantage of these particular horoscope, weekly horoscope. If something is important coming in the coming week, and like as a job interview or legal case court date or any particular important meeting, and you want to see that what the best you can do, or presentation, or the particular event of the week, you want things go smoothly, whatever the help you can take it astrologically as given in this particular weekly horoscope. But the premium content we share the whole, but the preview we only share the part. But in this preview as well, you have to watch the video till the end, because in the last part of we call supporting statement for each and every sign, which is individual according to your weekly horoscope, individual horoscope for each and every sign. So we define the equation and try to explain to you what is what. But at the end of the day is your choice. My weekly horoscopes are applied horoscopes. If you are concerned about the coming week and you need some sort of a support, guidance or help, and you want to maneuver your astrological equation, then these are horoscopes are for you. How important is the coming week for you, and what are the important events happening, which at what stage you are in your life, at what moment you are in, and what you want to achieve. So it's all depend on you. There is purely applied astrology weekly horoscopes. So if you want to apply and use the application of astrology and maneuver the equation and achieve the benefit, and if you want to do that, it's entirely up to you. It's all depend on, this is not wishy-washy kind of horoscope, this will happen, this will explain to you what is what. More magnifying as much we can for the complete information for the coming week. So best of luck for all of you. But kindly watch the whole video till the end. Leo, in this coming week, due to Venus Ketu in 4th house, beware of scandal, beware of any kind of a lack of focus or concentration, beware of restlessness. Jupiter Saturn position in 6th house, keep a close eye on your enemies, look after your health. Rahu position 10th house, watch your financial decision or professional decision. Look after your relationship with your colleagues in your job, profession, career. Mars Mercury position in 2nd house. Watch your word of speech. Refrain from offending anybody with your language or attitude or out of control aggression. Watch your flow of income as well. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which will give you complete analysis of the whole week, define your moon's transit effect. That will define your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to find you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do to achieve your supremacy spiritually. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Leo weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Leo. In this coming week, you'll go through lots of mental instabilities, lot of issues, lot of uncertainties, lot of hassles, Leo. lot of complication, insecurities. Leo, due to particular individual person, you have to go through a lot of challenging situations. You have to be careful. You'll come across lots of hassles due to this particular individual person. Lot of challenges, lot of complication. Sometimes dispute, sometimes too much argument, sometimes going through a lot of aggression. At home, there will be restlessness. Sometimes you know the reason, sometimes you don't know the reason. You got to look after your health and well-being, mentally and physically. Sometimes you can be very much upset, disappointed, worried, tensed, very much annoyed. Due to your enemy, you will come across lots of issues. One of your running project becomes stale due to your own sworn enemies. You have to be extra careful. Refrain from unnecessary arguments, conflicts, fruitless debates. Be careful.